let me show you how I bedazzle my Santa stocking. So first you're gonna need a Santa stocking. I got this from Dollar Tree. It was only $1.25. It's like a sequence. Red rhinestones. You're gonna need some glue, a wax pencil, and heat transfer vinyl already pre-cut and everything for this. And you're gonna need like a heat press machine. Here I'm using my Cricut. First I added a little heat to the stocking, and then I applied my transfer vinyl, and I applied medium pressure on 350 for like 15 to 20 seconds. Just check your measurements or your temperatures for your heat transfer vinyl. So now I'm gonna go in with a glue. After I let this cool for a few minutes, I say 15 minutes is good. I'm gonna use a glue. Today I'm using Royal Glitz glue. Apply a little bit at a time, and I'm gonna use my rhinestones. The red rhinestones that I have are like mixed rhinestones, so they're mixed sizes. So I'm just going with the flow, and I'm applying what I need versus using just one size. So if it fits, I made it work. But you're gonna continue to do this until you get to the end. I tried to make each one a little more fuller as I got towards the end. I used my nickname because it was much easier to fit on the stocking, and it was just better. I like yes. But I thought this was a fun little thing to do. I know I'm a little late, but the holidays just went by so fast and I just couldn't keep up. But this is good for next year if you want to prep, your Christmas tree or decorations. This only took maybe about 30 minutes. And that's also including applying pressure to the heat transfer vinyl. So I think it's a pretty easy craft. If you have a shorter name, I would recommend using it. But if you want to use your full name, go for it. But other than that, I think it came out pretty great. I'm definitely going to decorate everybody's stocking next year. Let me know what you think in the comments. And thank you again for watching. Please subscribe and like for more Bedazzled content.